If you're looking for a company that provides basement waterproofing in the Charlotte area, you've probably run across a few names in your search. Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when searching for a dependable, reputable company to work on your home. That's why we want to tell you about some of the best basement waterproofing companies in Charlotte, North Carolina. Why would we do that? Well, we take pride in being open and transparent with our services and pricing, and we want our customers to be as informed as possible when making a decision about their home. We want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your basement waterproofing, so let's go over some of the other companies out there. So let's talk about Crawlspace Medic. They were founded in 2016. They currently have 27 locations, 209 Google reviews. They're Better Business Bureau A+ rated, but not accredited. According to their website, they specialize in working with realtors. They also only quote what a home inspector calls out. This company specializes in crawl space and basement waterproofing, as well as wood rot repairs. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself. We are fully licensed and insured and based just outside of Charlotte in Dallas, North Carolina. We are a small business and have less than 20 hard-working employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like, schedule a complimentary consultation. Feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.